QuickBooks, a beginner's guide to bookkeeping and accounting for small businesses. Written by Michael Kane. Narrated by Peter Prova. Introduction. Owning a business requires certain financial obligations. Your main goal is to make money to keep the business running, pay for goods, expenses, employees, and yourself. You have state and federal responsibilities too, such as federal and state taxes, employment taxes, sale taxes, and incorporation fees, depending on the size and type of business. Your obligations tell you to keep as much money in the business as possible while meeting your financial responsibilities. Spending too much on expenses, such as occasional business needs, can decrease the amount of money you have for the more important expenses and bills. Hiring an accountant who is a bookkeeper and accountant is one choice. The person fulfills the main functions for the financial responsibilities your company has. You can decide to have a bookkeeper that comes in once a week to take care of the daily, weekly, and monthly tasks, and have an accountant for the tax liabilities. For example, the accountant would file the yearly tax data and create the W-2 forms for employee tax information. A third choice is for you to be the bookkeeper or have a staff member do part-time bookkeeping responsibilities and have an accountant to call for the important business financial questions and obligations. If you plan on doing most of the bookkeeping in-house, whether someone comes in once a week or a staff member you already have takes care of the little things, then using accounting software with bookkeeping capabilities is the perfect solution. Prior to the 1980s, most bookkeeping was done by hand, using ledgers, notebooks, and other manual concepts. With the invention of a more affordable computer, word processor concepts where you could create spreadsheets became the norm. One company decided to go further and create a program that would handle bookkeeping tasks and be useful for accountants. The company, Intuit, is behind QuickBooks and is the topic of discussion. QuickBooks can be added when you start a business, to an existing business, or when you decide to switch from a different accounting and bookkeeping software. You might have used Quicken, Money, or something else that exists, so learning how to use QuickBooks and who it is meant for.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?